Over 100 residents in the West Mamprusi district have been rendered homeless following a 24-hour downpour in the area. Houses and farmlands have been destroyed, rendering the community a ghost town. Here's a report by TV3's Eva Atiboka.
We had a very heavy rainfall. Houses here were all flooded with their cross. When we came, we saw water over the whole area. Women carried their children out, plus their belongings, just by the road. And we saw them, we were with them up to daybreak.
So by fire, you're pruning in our so until you're never been that. Mato correct. Asami ba o hinde wuto untuntunku baby ya.
Even slowly, because when you get to every house in this area, there is a trap, a death trap. Their houses are almost collapsing.
Days of continuous rain brought down 50 rooms at Gagbini, destroying over 7 acres of assorted crop farmlands and displacing over 140 people. They are now putting up with friends and relatives outside of this community. Behind me, it's a whole house that has been brought down by the rain. Do you have a vehicle?
We don't have a vehicle as now. The DC normally help us with means. The Zoom Lion trucks are there. Then the DCE, the pickups are there. He can help us with any of the means to go into the communities.